2, 3. Okay. Welcome to go to the Lucky Haven Beach. Dear everyone, this beach is one of the many beautiful beaches in the Philippines. We can see everything around me. The beautiful beach with white sand, navy blue water, and many style boats, and many chairs. Okay, everyone, please come and enjoy. Thank you, everyone.
One of the amenities of the Lucky Haven. The water is cold. It's good for the hot weather.
Hello everyone. Today I want to for you introduce this place. You look, this is a very beautiful ocean and people. Very beautiful sky, very beautiful tree, and there is beautiful Mama Mary. Here is very nice and beautiful, and so you look is very big party. They are very happy. We are students and teachers. So today we are very happy. Yeah.
Hello, hi Elena. How long have you been working here?
Start in 2016 until now.
Until now. And how about this area? So many foreigners come here to travel. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much for giving me answer.
Wait. Okay.
Later. Good morning. I'd like to interview you.
Yes.
What's your name?
Cecilia Perez, and my nickname is Chechu.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm from Vietnam. How do you feel when you come here?
I enjoy my swimming.
How long? How long?
2 days only.
Can you swim?
Yes.
Right. You can swim.
Yes.
Long time. Wow. How do you can swim? You work it in the side?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, Ate. Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Vilma, B for short.
And you?
Nani po, Father. Nani.
Yes, here I want to interview. I want to interview you about food.
Food.
Yes, about food.
Filipino dish.
What is this?
Rice. This is a plain rice.
Rice. And this one?
Adobong manok. Adobo. Chicken.
Chicken. Yeah. How about food in this area?
What kind of what delicious ba o ano ba?
Ilan daw yung
Hindi, tinatanong ko ano
pa ibang specialty dito sa about
Bulacan.
So sweet or
We have
delicious?
delicious, yes, Father. Pero this is the chicken.
How
is,
many
salty.
kind foods here?
plenty, Father.
Many.
This one rice.
Plain rice, adobo,
Chicken adobo.
Chicken.
Chicken adobo.
Chicken.
Salted egg.
What?
Ay, yun nga din. Ganun din, Father.
This is a rice or
Oh, rice.
Same din, same.
and this sotangon.
Oh, sotangon. Soup. Oh, yeah, okay.
And this, Father.
Okay, thank you, Ate. I'm Father Gervas. I'm from Indonesia. Yes, I'm from Indonesia.
Welcome, Father.
Yeah, thank you very much.
To the Philippines.
Yeah.
Hi, hello.
Hi, Kuya. What's your name?
I'm Ernest from Philippines, but my province is Bulacan, from Malolos, Bulacan.
Yes, I'm Father Gervas. I want to interview you about food.
Yes, you want to taste this? This is
What
adobo.
is this?
This is adobo, delicacy of the
In English?
Philippines.
In English?
This is a chicken sour
What
with
is it?
with soy sauce, vinegar, onion, and garlic.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Do you want
know.
to taste it
Yes, I can.
before? You can taste before.
it.
Or but
Yes.
you taste
Yeah, after this, later
Yes.
I want to taste it.
Yes.
And do you like another food?
They have yes. They have barbecue,
Oh, barbecue.
chicken barbecue. You know the isaw, the
Isaw.
instant tin.
Isaw, I don't know.
The internal of the chicken.
Ah,
Then you can fry it also, or ihaw. You know ihaw? In Tagalog, ihaw, grill. In
yeah.
English, yeah. It's very nice. And also the kwek-kwek.
Quick,
You know
yeah.
kwek-kwek?
Yes,
Yes,
kwek-kwek.
nice also.
Okay, Kuya, thank you very much
And you will
for
come.
your opportunity.
Thank you, Kuya. You can taste it.
Yeah, okay. Hello everyone, this is my group. I want to interview my friends about food. Hey, father or brother?
Brother.
Ah, brother. What food is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? But you like it?
Yes, I like it.
You can speak French.
How about you, father?
The food is awesome.
Really delicious.
Very good
I love
because
it.
I very like to eat seafood. Thank you.
And sister?
I like it. Very delicious.
Oh my God, my friend like all of this food.
Me too.
And I like it. This is a fish. Thank you.